Pull a zipper closed and hundreds of tiny teeth seem to grab each other, but nothing actually snaps shut. A sliding bridge rearranges bent hooks so they cannot come apart until you deliberately reverse the path. Most people imagine zipper teeth meshing like gears or fingers, pressing until they stick. Wrong diagram. Each tooth is a bent metal hook, alternating left and right. The slider bends them into an interlocking chain, not a snap fit. A zipper is two fabric tapes, each with a row of hooks. Left hooks face left, right hooks face right. Separated, the rows are harmless loose teeth. The magic only happens inside the slider channel. The slider is a metal funnel with a center wedge. Moving up, the wedge bends each hook outward, then tucks it behind the opposite hook. A moving locksmith, reshaping every tooth into one continuous chain link. Modern zippers use two tooth styles. Coil zippers win nylon in a spiral, light and flexible. Molded zippers stamp individual plastic teeth, stiff and durable. Different materials, same hook geometry. The slider does not care which factory made them. Close a zipper and the slider gathers hooks from both sides. Each tooth enters the narrow throat, bends behind its partner, and exits as a locked pair. Row by row, two loose edges become one seam, spreading load along the tape. Open a zipper by running the slider the other way. A flared throat spreads locked hooks apart, reversing the bend so each tooth pops free. Same bridge, opposite choreography. A stuck zipper fights you because hooks stay bent in the locked shape. Freeze the interlock and the pattern is elegant. Left hook, right hook, alternating like a weave of metal or plastic. The slider is the loom shuttle. One direction weaves the seam tight. The other unweaves it without cutting the tape. Here is the twist. The zipper was not designed for jackets or bags. Whitcomb Judson patented a clasp locker in the 1890s to close high-button boots without fussing with laces. Gideon Sunback refined the hook-and-slider design we recognize today. Footwear first, fashion later. Next time you zip a coat, watch the slider instead of the tab. Two harmless rows disappear into a metal channel and emerge as one locked ribbon. Every bump is a hook bent, paired, and released. Mechanical poetry in ordinary clothing. Recap. Zipper teeth are alternating hooks on two tapes. The slider wedge bends each hook behind its partner to lock, or spreads them apart to unlock. Coil or molded, same geometry. A sliding bridge, not a snap, turns two loose rows into one strong seam. Next on Everyday Sketch, why your keyboard letters are scrambled and the typewriter jam that locked QWERTY in place.